This is Papa the Braille back with another video. And I'm going to be showing you all the ringtones on your Braille Touch, aka Android device. So, okay, let's go. Sorry about that and the enter noise. Sorry about this noise. Sorry about this noise. But I can't control it because it's Braille. Oh my god. Whoa. That sounds like a rattlesnake. I have to press enter on this one over and over. We're not gonna do that in this video. Some of the ringtones are actually the same. Doink. Don't panic. Okay, this one would irritate the crap out of me if I had it while I was sleeping. Cause I get a lot of like the Facebook and YouTube notifications, and whenever out here I went, that would irritate the crap. That Facebook will pop. See, Apple, I wish you had these kind of ringtones. That's Hangouts. Some of these have weird names. There's one I don't like, and that's Pixie Dust. Because it comes with the default, and it's super annoying. Ow. That was my last video for a while. That sounds like the beginning of Heathens. It's called On the Hunt. Oh. Well, I tried FaceTiming Dakota and Day, and neither of them answered, so. Oh, that's the one I don't like. The next one is funny. Okay, this one. The next one's funny. Wait, no. The next one, I believe. Yeah, the next one's funny. See, some of them are the same. And sometimes it has, like, it has one that is the same name twice, and it's the exact same thing. See, this has twice in a row. And that's it. Okay, so I'm just going to set mine to none for the night. And this is in default notification sounds. If you want to get to these sounds on your Braille Note Touch. So hold on that. Okay, none. Turn speech on. Oh crap. Oh, come on. Are you kidding me? Okay, let's turn it off. I like to for this video.